My name's Samuel Leeds. We're here at the Property Investors Crash Course and we are ready to learn a ton of stuff. So let me ask you a question, guys. Are you ready? Yeah! So the only two figures that matter when you're buying property is one, what you're putting in, two, what you're getting out. Thank you. I just found a deal which was giving me a return on investment of how much? 21%. Well, 21%'s okay, but it took me how many minutes? 1 or 2 minutes to find a deal giving me 21%. These guys at the Property Investors Crash Course are about to beat me, and the winner is going to get a prize. Raise your hands if you managed to find a house that was higher than 20%. That is incredible. Give yourselves a hand. Very good. So this morning we learned about buy-to-lets and everybody found a deal. Amazing. Now they're finding HMOs, and right now I'm just walking around, reviewing what they're finding, and they're finding some amazing deals. It's just incredible how much you can learn and apply in just 2 days at the Crash Course. Yesterday, in day one, we did deal sourcing, and did everyone find a deal? Yes. They all found a deal. So today, we're going to be learning how to buy those deals using none of our own money, using lease option agreements, creative finance, joint ventures, and all weird and wonderful things like that. It's going to be a great day. Are you guys ready to learn? Yes. Are you ready to buy some deals, no money down? Yes. So I hope to see you here next time.
Coming here, being around people that are on the same mission, it's just really refreshing.
Tonight we're probably not going to sleep, making like 3, 6, 12-month plans.
I am leaving today with the tools to actually go out and see if I can get any deals.
We're from London and we've travelled all the way to Manchester. I didn't know what I was going to get, but I knew that it's gonna basically change our lives. The information, the knowledge that he's given us to go on, it was just magical.
This is worth every last single second of it, and you're only going to regret it and not improve your life if you don't get here and come do this.